Wemeli kanong kren constituency ba Lambor Malngiang ulaong baka shong jingshakri hok kamram komunong mikman kadai ka bakham gongsan bat kipaj ba nong songnong hak constituency daga bapan pau baka tiket na kanuno ka parti banyak khon ni election chenau mikmat syariyang rabato an ga jalaw snam banwan kampat dei ka por banyak kren ulaong la tri hok ka kamhi ka shong hak kati kipaj ba bakin ay ka jingkershan.
I am the elected members of this August House. I've been elected by the voice of the people. So I will keep walking on that line and will ensure that through my best services that I have rendered for the people of my constituency, they all know well, though people from outside may not know what are the activities that took place in my constituency, but I will tell you very clearly that I am the MLA of this area and I've been continuing with my mission to ensure that their demand is met. So I have that much faith in the hands of the people.
But who will get the ticket? Has it?
No, why you talk about ticket at this moment? It's too early for the ticket. Let us not talk about the ticket. Tickets will come later. Okay. First is your service. If you give a good service, then definitely other parties also would like to pull this person who's working on the behalf of the people. So let the ticket comes later. It is on your service. If you are doing bad service, nobody will want to pick you to come and join in any political party. But if you perform well, so definitely we have the oldest party in the state, the United Democratic Party. So this is one of the oldest, and looking forward that we will be able to associate with this party to ensure that to strengthen the position of this old regional party. This is my message. No, I don't believe in the might of money. I don't believe. You see, it depends on your service that you have all the been put in place. So whatever the service that I have rendered, that will speak in the next election. No. I respect Babindo as a senior citizen, as the advisor of the party. I have good respect for him. He's like the father figure to me. So I respect him on that line. I have nothing much to say against him.